Whoosh, boys. Well, our first bloody customer is bloody here. We've got Dommy Boy back with the GTI Polo. Shout out to MRPS. Shout out to RJ Motorsports. Bloody good, boys. The old lightning bolts fell off, so I don't know where that's gone, but that's all right. But anyway, we've got his technically stage 0.5, because he's got a bit of a crackle map on there, from MRPS. We don't like to tune these 1.4 litres, because they like to go bang bang with the old gearbox. But racing line intake, and that's pretty much about it. Running on the old BC coilovers, and he's looking at getting some spaces. Shout out to Mode. Take those boys down here as well. But without further ado, let's get cracking, boys. Alrighty boys, let's go for a test drive. Not bad. Good gear shift from first to second. No clunks when stopping. Promising. Gear shift, boys, good gear shifting. Put into manual, get it right up to 6th gear when it wants to. Yeah, good boys. Boys, and just like that, Dommy Boy's bloody car is bloody done. Customer satisfaction, A+, 5 stars. Next customer's not too far away, boys, but bloody good. Boys, well, next customer, well and truly here. We've got her up on the jack stands, ready to rock and roll. Racing line springs, Blaze performance intake, and we're going to fix up these bloody studs because the tyre shop that my boy went to stuffed them up and didn't even bloody Loctite the studs in. So I'm going to expect that they're all going to come off when I undo the lugs. So bear with me for that one, boys. But this customer has been here before. However, he sold his 7.5 that he had before, and he did buy another one, 7.5 final edition. The money was just too good to be true after he sold his other one, and essentially brought this one for a bloody steal. So, bloody good. Aquapovic exhaust on the final editions. He's obviously got the Web Sports just the other day, the racing line stud conversion as well, and obviously, as we said before, chuck that bloody intake on, and we're obviously chucking in some racing line springs as well. So, bloody good, boys, but let's bloody get to it. No issues there, no clunky, boys. Bloody good. Brakes are good. Bloody good, boys. Bloody good outcome. That actually feels really nice. Whoosh, boys. Well, just like that, 7.5 final edition, lowering springs, Blaze performance intake, and mode spaces. Bloody done. Comfy as, boys, as you would have just seen from the old POV. for the old test drive. Looking pretty schmicko, but looking bloody beautiful, boys, if I do say so myself. Whoosh, boys. Well, we've got a little Rexy STI here. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I bloody forgot me good mic, so shout out to DJI. I need more. We got Christ's R35 GTR. Just got some new wheels, the old TE37 SLs. Meaty AU fitment, boys. Holy heck. And then we got KC, humble RS3 facelift. Got a baddie here, boys. Oh, not bad. Well, shout out to old Scott Dog for the parking old static films. We'll take them on the screen, but bloody good, boys. Window tint, vehicle wrapping, paint protection film, vehicle blackouts and more. Find them on Facebook, Instagram, and even TikTok, boys. staticfilms.com.au. Get in there, boys. Shout out to Scotty for the bloody parks. Old Zacky's here as well. Bloody good, boys. Bloody good. Little familiar GTX, boys. I used to have one of these back in NZ. Holy heck. Not bad. Oosh, is that you, Lenny? Not bad. Little Falcon as well. Not bad. Oosh, boys. Well, pre-facelift, or S3, but it's got an RS3 grille. RS3 wheels as well. Holy heck. The Imposter. Full maxed in kit all the way around. Tornado red, which is pretty rare as well. And slammed. Holy heck. Little GC8, boys. Custom purple paint job as well. Holy shit. On the Workmeisters too. And then we've got old Barbie Evo 10 right next door. Big boy BBF dishes. R32 on bags. We've got some fans in the background. Oosh. Oosh, boys. R33 GTR, Mr. 33R. Rare as hell. Nismos. Oosh. S15. Stance as hell. Holy. We love a good S15, SR20. Ooh. Flash, boys, flash. Oosh. S14, boys. Running on some, thick boys on the back. Holy heck. Gee whiz. RX-7, boys. Series 4, Series 5. New South. Not bad, not bad. Sitting on the old SSRs. Oof. Not bad, boys. Not bad. Not bad. E43 by the looks of it. That is cool. Custom Recaros in there as well. Got a 135i. Yeah. Whoosh, boys. We've got a 34 four-door, 26 converted, single turbo. Holy heck. Not bad, eh? Not bad. Big boy Garrett. Front facing G-Ready Plenum. Holy heck. Big boy power, boys. Big boy power. Sheesh, we've got the 911 Porsche. That is sick. Old school as. Coming back to about the 80s, I'm pretty sure. Not bad. And we've got the GTR 32. Holy. Maybe some rotor grids on there. Big boy sticky federals, it looks like. Holy. Surely 1,000 horsepower in this thing. Whoosh, boys. We've got the 6R. Chair. Not bad. Not bad. We've got the Evo 7. Cheer, boys, cheer. Show, brother. Ah, sick.
the next day.
Back, boom!
Yeah, I'm the trap, I ain't got a trap phone. I got P's and M's and K's and O's. They're illiterate with letters, so I'm letting those know. Used to give them high fives, now it's just a middle finger.
Well, best of bloody morning steer, boys. We're down here at bloody Park and Ride, down at the bottom of WaterX Road, ready to bloody get up Nebo / Glorious for one last hurrah in the GA Yaris before Mad 20 sells it. But we'll show you what's here, what's on the schedule for today. Hopefully we get some good bloody footage for us. Sheesh. M2. Got Ed's Type R Civic. Look out, boys. Holy heck. Let's go. The Porsche, the showstopper. Holy heck. With the Fiesta ST here, boys. Got the M3 Go Time, another M3, another M2, the DC5 Type R. Holy heck. Not bad. We got the camera car, the GR Yaris, the i20N Destroyer. We got the i20N as well. Got an 86, another Type R Civic, another M2, holy, another M2, holy, another M2, holy, and it looks like an M3 of some description. Maybe not a comp, but maybe just D-badge, but holy heck.
Plug me in.
Boys, well, the BMW gang tried to keep up. As you can see from the old 360 footage, they didn't keep up, boys. Euro Society, where are you? There's old mobbing, boys. Cheer, Buddha. See you next time. Another Type R Civic. Oh, DC5 as well. Whoosh, boys. Well, customer of the day. Bloody here. We've got a pre-facelift RS3 MQB 8V. Holy hecker. 2 WOG for you. However, boys, we've diagnosed the car. We went for a little spin just before with the customer. We have diagnosed that the shock is pretty much cooked. There is the rear lower control arm bushing as well. It's a little noisy, but you can't hear it when all 4 wheels are on the ground. So I think at full droop it does make some noise. Mentioned that to him, but the main cause of the actual sound is the shock. So hopefully our parts guys got 4 shocks, so front and rear. We'll just replace a lot of them. And we're going to do the Haldex and the DSG right now. But essentially, yeah, customer was here for top hats, DSG and Haldex. We are going to do the top hats with the shocks if we do end up getting them. Hopefully we've got some time today. We're just going to let the parts guy get back to us when he's at his workshop. But yeah, let's get on to this bloody DSG. Let's get on to this bloody Haldex. And we'll come back to the shocks at a later date. Oosh, boys. Well, what a day. What a long bloody day. Still trying to 100% guarantee that it is the shock that's damaged. We've got one more test to do. We're still concerned about that rear lower control arm bushing as well. So we're going to make note of that. It is just a little bit noisy when it's at like full droop, like I said before. So one more test just to make sure it's the shock. Of course, we've done right by our customer. We've done the old engine bay detail. We're just finishing off the Haldex service. We've filled the DSG all the way up to the rim. So we're not far away, boys. We're not far away. But I thought we'd do a little bit of a taste test, boys. It's been a while since we've tasted a new monster. This one is from America, so all you American boys and ladies, you'll know this probably. Ultra Fantasy Ruby Red. So pretty fantastic. Limited edition in Australia, so I'm told. But part of the Ultra range, of course, boys. We always like that sugar-free, so let's have a look. It's a crack test. Oh! That crack! Holy heck! Smells delicious. Let's have a swig. What does it taste like? It's a familiar taste. I'm just not quite sure what it tastes like. That's delicious. That is bloody delicious. It's very refreshing. It almost tastes like juice. But I don't know, it's fizzy, so it's not really juice, is it? But anyway, boys, without further ado, let's bloody quit jibber-jabbering and get back to this bloody RS3, otherwise we're not going to get it finished. Alright, boys, test drive. Bloody auto start, eh? Holy heck. Alright, well the suspension sound's still there, obviously. But DSG feels much smoother. Feels really good. We're obviously going to get up to max gearing. And it feels amazing. Bloody good. And goes right down to first gear. Bloody good. Oosh, boys! Well, the pre-facelift RS3, DSG, Haldex, and bloody diagnose, bloody done, boys. 2 WOG for you. Done deal, boys. Done deal. Not bad. So, boys, we ended up figuring out that it is the bloody strut, so bloody good to me. We did that final test to make sure it was the strut. The rear left strut's leaking as well, so all 4 struts have got to be replaced, boys. But, boys, get this customer on his way. Let's bloody crack him on. Relax for the rest of the night, boys. Chill!